Module 5, Lesson 4's objective is to represent and identify fractional parts of different wholes. The directions say each shape is one whole. Estimate to equally partition the shape and shade to show the given fraction. I'll underline the important details. Estimate to equally partition the shape and shade, I'll circle that, to show the given fraction. Well, the given fraction here is 1/2. 1/2 means that the shape must be divided into two pieces equally. I could divide the circle into two pieces by simply drawing a horizontal line near the middle. Another way I could do that is by drawing a vertical line near the middle. Now all I need to do is to shade to show the given fraction. I could go ahead and shade either the top or the bottom part of the circle, or I could shade the left or right side of the circle. Now let's go ahead and look at the arrow. There is only one way to divide this arrow in half. Remember, when you divide something in half, both pieces must be the same size and same shape. The only way to divide the arrow in half equally is by going straight down the center. Now, if you were to fold the arrow on the line, both sides would match up. I think I'm going to try to clean that up a little bit. I'll go straight down the center, and I'll shade 1/2 of the arrow. I could shade the left side, or I could shade the right side. Now you go ahead and do items C and D yourself. Divide the line in half, and then shade only half of the line. Divide the moon in half. Remember, wherever you divide it, if you were to fold it on that line, the pieces must match up. Don't forget to shade to show the given fraction. Let's look at the next set of problems. The given fraction has changed. This time it says 1/4. I will go ahead and divide the circle into fourths. I will shade 1/4. That means I will shade one of the pieces of the circle. Another way that this could be divided into fourths is this way. Again, only one piece of the pie is shaded. Let's look at the line. I will divide it into fourths. And I will shade 1/4. Now you do items C and D on your own. The final row changes the fractional unit. This time we're looking for 1/3. I'll divide the circle into thirds this way. Then I will shade it. I could also take my circle and do it this way. Let me try that again. I think that's a little bit better. And then I will shade again one portion of my circle, or 1/3. Looking at the rectangle, I could divide it this way, and again shade just one of those sections. It doesn't matter which section, just one of the third. And you can do items C and D on this row as well.